They suffered some serious structural problems, the DR-1s, especially wing failures. That rather foreshortened its service life. Just 320 of them were built. One of the Dreideckers now in front of us, chasing one of the three first flew in November 1916, the improved SE-5A in 1917. It was used during the war by 21 British or Empire squadrons and 2 American units. There's another one on the tail of the Junkers CL-1 of World War I. On the Allied side, including Albert Hall, Nick Mannock, James McCutton and Billy Bishop, flew SE-5As. More than 5,000 of them were built. It was a good performer at all altitudes. It was faster than its German rivals. It had an excellent rate of climb, it was strong, and it was agile. The 3 here are 7/8 scale replicas from drawings originally produced in the US by Replica Plans. One of them is in the colours of number 85 Squadron of the Royal Flying Corps and Royal Air Force. This was led at different times by Nick Mannock and Billy Bishop. Then there's one in American markings, those of the 25th Aero Squadron, which flew SE-5As with the RIAT. And the third in the markings of number 56 Squadron, which was the first SE-5 operator, specifically the aircraft of Lieutenant M.E. Mealy, who scored served in the RAF fighter force yourself, albeit a little later than the era we see depicted here. What are some of the fundamentals of air combat that still, from the days of the First World War, remained in mind?
Well, the aircraft that you see fighting here today have got forward-facing armament, which means to be able to bring your weapons to bear on the opponent, you actually have to point the aircraft at the opponent. But bear in mind, the opponent has a boat as well. So what we see today is a replication, really, of what is known as a single circle fight. So both aircraft are turning in the same direction. And the most important thing here for a single circle fight is the radius of turn. So you're actually able to come inside your opponent in order to cut across the circle to bring your weapons to bear. Once the aircraft started to get faster and the weapons were more than the sort of 50 to 100 meter range that we see now, came the advent of the two-circle fight, where aircraft would pass. The most important thing of a two-circle fight is the rate of turn as opposed to the radius of turn. The principles of air combat have not changed in the last 100 years.
Well, goodness me, the equipment certainly has. SE-5A pursued by Fokker triplane, the E-2C still smoking, still with Fokker triplane on its tail. In period, the poor old VE would have made rather easy. There were some quite vitriolic editorials in the Aeroplane Journal of the period by its then somewhat vituperative editor, C.G. Gray, castigating the performance. He didn't have a huge chance to really get involved in World War I. Just 47 of them were built and delivered by the time of the armistice on the 11th of November 1918, but it was the most effective German aircraft in the ground attack role of the late war period. 3 of them were even constructed as float planes. Seem to be coming on occasions from the CL-1 in the distance as the SE-5 turns and it represents an aircraft flown by 13-killed pilot Lieutenant Johann Janster, 6 pilot. Markings of him carried Lieutenant